visuals on our screen right now coming in from the Killa Court in Mumbai. And remember, at 7 p.m. this evening, we are expecting that all the accused will be produced before the Killa Court at 7 p.m. Meanwhile, the NCB is set to also send the phones of the suspects for forensic analysis. Let me also go across to Priyanka now, who's also closely tracking these developments. Yes, Priyanka, we are getting in these first visuals from Killa Court, where at 7 p.m. this evening, the accused who have been arrested will be presented, and they look like the family members of the accused arrested as well.
Well, yes, the accused who have been arrested, the three people, in fact, who have been arrested will be produced in the Killa Court. And then, of course, the NCB will get the remand for further questioning and interrogation and investigation that they want to carry out. And as we had been talking earlier as well, that what they really intend to do is confront each of the people who have been arrested with physical evidence in their hand, and also with the drug peddlers who they have taken into their custody, to understand if they knew any of the drug peddlers, and also if the drug peddlers nexus, in fact, any of the contact person had also been in the contact person or contact of these three people who have been arrested. And they will also try to find out links on whether or not these three of the people who have been arrested knew any of the suppliers, and also knew where these drugs had been coming into the rave party from. Not just that, and as officials had said, it is not just about this one rave party. They're going to be investigating this independently as well, to understand whether this was the first incident of such a rave party and such a supply of drugs being done and also being consumed inside of a cruise ship, inside of a rave party itself. So now all of that will be investigated upon by the NCB. Of course, as of now, the formal procedures being taken place, as all of the accused will have to be produced in front of the court so that they can get a remand, so that further investigation can go on. But as our colleague was also pointing out, that by 7 p.m. we can expect that all of the accused will be presented, and there will be remand that will be granted to NCB, and further interrogation and further details of this nexus between drugs and Bollywood will perhaps be unearthed by the NCB officials, and we'll get to know them by today later in the day as well.
And going across to Yesha now, Yesha, we're getting in some more information from the Killa Court at this point. Advocate Satish Maneshande is at the Killa Court. He is representing SRK's legal team. Any more information on this?
So, just having had a conversation with Satish Maneshande, he said he, along with his team, would be present at the Killa Court. Rightly, our colleague had mentioned that some of the teams are already reaching Killa Court. What we'd seen last night also was, until late last night, Satish Maneshande's team was right here, at least until, say, 3 a.m. last night, wherein we understand that the questioning was going on for Aryan Khan as well as some of the other people who were inside. It was only once the zonal director Samir Wankhede who left from here, then the team left. So they were part of the questioning. In fact, we were also informed by the NCB sources that they would be present this morning as well. So ever since this morning, we've seen that the team is present right here, because as we understand, the statements of some of these people have all been recorded under section 67 of the IPC, which means they've been the statement has been recorded voluntarily, and which is why, considering that the lawyers have been present, statement has been recorded in their presence as well. So the fact that at 7 p.m. is when the hearing would take place, the remand hearing for Aryan Khan as well as 2 more other people who've been arrested along with him. We see that the team has already reached there. There would be a possibility that they would further seek some kind of a legal remedy for Aryan Khan even before the NCB produces them to court. But as of now, until and unless they've not submitted the application, there's no clarity on the front of Satish Maneshande, when they've not divulged details as to what their legal course of action would be, because the NCB would clearly try to seek his custody further, because they have to interrogate both of them, that is Arbaz Merchant as well as Aryan Khan, confront them with the 2 drug peddlers, that is the drug peddler who've been arrested from Delhi as well as Haryana, and